Right, I think the Baoan, I don't think the Baoan's looking. Alright, let's quickly get out of here. I have just landed in Shenzhen, and every time I come here, it just blows my mind. Even the luggage claim is impressive. The scale of it, I mean, look down there, you can't even see the end of it. That's not mirrors there, that is actually real. Seriously, every time I come to this city, it never stops impressing me. They've got drones whizzing around, delivering food directly into your mouth, flying cars, crazy gadgets, robots everywhere, indoor ski resorts, insane infrastructure from the future. And yes, before anyone asks me, I am indeed traveling on my 5-star green card. Yes, I know, I'm showing off once again. Everyone, I have a Chinese green card. Yes, Chinese green card. But honestly, after 14 years living in China, I feel like I've had a front row seat to one of the most incredible transformations anywhere in the world. The technology, infrastructure, the convenience of everyday life. I mean, look at this, look where I am now. This is the tech zone in Binhai. Look at this architecture, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. It's incredible to think this entire tech city was built on reclaimed land in just a few years. That's China's infrastructure speed for you. Every year, China seems to just keep moving forward again and again. And that's exactly why today feels so fitting, because today we are here to check out a very special global launch event here in Dongguan. A big tech brand is revealing something here, an unveiling of a new type of technology. Let's go find out what is. We have now arrived at Oppo's global launch event in Dongguan, and just look at this, a global product launch, international media everywhere, creators from different countries all here in China to watch the debut of a new foldable flagship.
Oppo Find N6 9999
Whoa, that is a pretty good price. It's probably going to cost way more to buy in Europe and in the West. Oh my God, here it is. I've finally got my hands on it. The new Oppo Find N6, the world's first foldable phone with an almost invisible crease. And when you see it in person, you realize how far this technology has come, because one of the biggest compromises with foldable phones has always been that visible fold line down the middle of the screen. And take a look at this over here. These phones have been folding 136,000 times. Just look at that, and still no crease, no fold. It just keeps on going. It's going on all day. I don't know when it's going to stop. I don't know what's going on. Look at that, it's crazy. And over here, they actually have a machine in which they can measure how flat things are very precisely. So we're going to put it to the test and use my 5-star green card first, and then we're going to compare and see how it is. Okay, so you just place it on there. There it is, very beautiful. Right now, and we're going to put the phone on next. Okay, and give me back this beauty. Okay, back in my pocket, safe and sound. Right now, let's see the phone. So the results are in, and you might not believe this, but the phone actually turns out to be flatter than my green card. How is that even scientifically possible? And now I'm going to try out Oppo's AI pen. Right, so what do you think I'm going to draw, guys? What is this? Can you tell what it is yet? Da 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 da. Then we press on there. do this. We do a little circle like that, and then bing, bang, boom, and just take a look at that. Oh my God, that is pretty good. This is just a remarkable piece of tech, and this is what China does so well. Not just manufacturing at scale, but refining products, improving user experience, and pushing technology forward in ways the whole world notices. Right, I think in the Baoan, I don't think the Baoan's looking. Alright, let's quickly get out of here. Hope Oppo doesn't mind. Thanks for the gift. Let's get out of here.